Order fulfillment and delivery, automated delivery of digital products and managing download access. Order fulfillment and delivery, streamline your digital product flow with ThriveCart. When it comes to delivering your digital goods, ThriveCart has you covered. Forget manual processes and say goodbye to download link chaos. ThriveCart automates the entire fulfillment process, ensuring your customers receive their products instantly and effortlessly. Here's how it works. Automatic delivery. Upon purchase, ThriveCart automatically delivers your digital products directly to your customers' inboxes or accounts. Ebooks, courses, templates, and more, everything lands seamlessly in their hands, with no manual intervention needed. Multiple delivery options. Choose from various delivery methods to suit your needs. Offer immediate downloads for impatient customers or schedule delayed delivery for drip-fed content. You can even personalize delivery based on product or customer segment. Secure download access. Protect your intellectual property with password-protected download links and expiration dates. Control who can access your files and prevent unauthorized sharing. Multiple download attempts. Give your customers peace of mind with multiple download attempts in case of technical glitches or accidental deletions. Order tracking and history. Both you and your customers can track order status and download history easily. Transparent and accessible information builds trust and keeps everyone informed. Integrations with cloud storage. Connect ThriveCart to popular cloud storage platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox to effortlessly manage product files and keep your system organized. ThriveCart goes beyond basic delivery. Imagine offering different download formats for various devices, customizing download pages with branding elements, or even adding purchase receipts for record keeping. ThriveCart empowers you to tailor your delivery experience to create a smooth and seamless journey for your customers. Remember, a smooth delivery process builds trust and customer satisfaction. By leveraging ThriveCart's automation and flexibility, you can focus on creating amazing products while ThriveCart handles the logistics, ensuring your customers receive their digital treasures instantly and securely. Bonus tip: consider offering bonus download options like high-resolution images or audio files alongside your main product delivery. This adds perceived value and delights your customers further. I hope this elaboration provides a clear picture of how ThriveCart simplifies your digital product delivery process. Let me know if you have any further questions.